So the number it gave us was $28 million.
So it's assuming like a $2.3 RPM. Interesting. I mean, obviously, I've spent tens of millions of dollars on my videos, so the money has to come from somewhere. I will leave it at that. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, because you've spent more than that.
Of course. Yeah, I mean, tens of millions of dollars have gone into my YouTube videos. Like, because I've taken all the money from the gaming channel, the Reacts channel, all the other stuff I'm doing, all my merch, all the brand deals, everything, gone right back into it. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, there's probably going to be a day where I'll spend over $1 billion on just YouTube videos in the future.
That's so crazy.
Obviously, I'm nowhere near that, but I'm talking like, 2 decades from now or a decade, yeah.
Yeah. But in a year, you're spending
lots.
More than I just said.
Yeah. Way more money than I should. Yeah. I mean, like some months we're spending like $4 or $5 million on videos, yeah.
Yeah.
So, crazy.
I saw it in the financial statements.
Yeah, that stuff adds up.
Shocked.